The Siem of Hima Khairim Balajit Singh Siem had earlier informed the Chief Minister Conrad Sangma that the Nongkrem dance would be celebrated at Smith on November 24th and 25th, 2020. As per protocol, restrictions had been made on the number of participants in the celebrations, which would include only the main functionaries. It may also be reminded that the organizers had approached the government for assistance with regards to preparations for the event. As far as rituals were concerned, the Siem informed that rites had to be performed without the usual crowd, but with only a few dancers participating in the main ceremony.
But thankfully, the Creator has given us the chance to celebrate as we used to do every year. But as we can see for this year, we already have the protocols given by the government that we should follow strictly, and that no crowd should be like there should be no crowd like used to be like we held every year.